So guys, I'm going to show you my Igbo high life sample packs so you can at least patronize me today. I have gyration drum loops here. Let us see how it sounds. You can use this one for any Igbo song, any high life anyway. As far as it's anything called gyration. So I'm about to using this one now. This one is 130 BPM tempo. Let me check this one. But this thing is sorry guys, sorry. So let me stretch the channel. Yeah, I'm about to use this one. Let me just play something. I have something like let me use zoology. Oh, okay. Love is one thing, I swear. see my zoology here. So guys, sorry. I have my zoology. Let me play a sound and see what happens there, what goes in there. Just play anything, like anything. Let me play chord, something like chord. Anything you want. And it's hey, that's my cap. That's my cap. My chieftaincy car. Black through. Let me choose purity. Will it be okay? Will purity be okay? Hey, I'm gonna give it. Black through. Hey, they have taken light, so nepa.